Okay, chopping up all the dry fruits, the apricots and the ginger. Chop them up into small pieces. Okay, the apricots look good. There's construction going on next door, so you can hear the big trucks and the backhoe. I apologize for that. There they are, all chopped up, ready to be used. So we mix those with the dry ingredients, and then we pour the dry ingredients with the butter, and we grease the 9x9 square pan, and we pour the butter and we bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Good luck. I know you will impress, and I know your friends and family will love these amazing ginger squares. Happy holidays to all who are celebrating at this time of the year. Have a wonderful time. Namaste. I love you. So we're adding the dry ingredients right now into the butter, beating slowly. So the butter is nice and sticky, and that's the way it should be. Then you transfer that, after mixing it well, you transfer it into a 9x9 square dish, and you bake for 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, until it's brown.